everyone, I'm Aileen Wang from Evangel Industrial Limited. We have engaged in exporting for 17 years. Today I want to show you some machines. Let's go. This all-electric aerial work platform works really good both indoors and outdoors, thanks to its smart wheel scissors and independent air control, so it can run steadily on rough roads with its strong stable. Its gym boot supports 141-degree movement. It can help you to reach something hard to access spots, and is always used in factory inspection, warm upkeep, and outdoor construction jobs. The built-in electric charge system charges the batteries automatically. It helps the machine move stably and boosts your work efficiency. It features zero tie swing, which keeps it safe in narrow spaces and crowded working areas. Quiet and emission-free, it fits offices, hospitals, and exhibition hall perfectly. With solid tires, reliable brakes, and durable electric components, it ensures stable and safe operation all day long. Compact, flexible, and high efficiency, the DINGLI E450AJ is your good helper for all kinds of high-altitude tasks. And if you want to get more information and get a quote, please contact us. See you next time. Bye-bye.